We are on night number 4 dealing with some dense fog, and that's going to be continuing for us throughout the first part of your weekend plan, so just get prepared for that. But at least remaining dry outside of a little bit of drizzle out there. But the dense fog is not for everyone, but as we take a look across our cameras right now, Cleveland is looking good. Westlake, things are improving, but down in Akron, we're starting to see a little bit more improvement when it comes to the overall visibility. Still down to 2 miles, recent update, down to 1 mile in Elyria in Lorain County, 2 miles and a quarter from the county airport. So it's going to be the combination, again, of calm winds, which we have across much of the area, and also dew points hanging out in the upper 30s, lower 40s, and also the temperatures almost a perfect match with that as well. And that seems to be a likelihood right along our lakeshore counties, including Lake and Ashtabula County, under this dense fog advisory again until 11 o'clock for tomorrow morning. All clear on radar outside of the drizzle, which is not being picked up on radar, that low-level cloud coverage. Down to the south, what's adding and what's fueling the moisture in our neck of the woods, this wide, expansive shield of rain. That moisture is working its way up to the Buckeye State, and this low-pressure system is going to bring in some rain and also some cooler temperatures as we get closer to the second part of your weekend. Here's Saturday night. We're looking at some rain. Then on the back part of this storm system, maybe some rain changing over to a brief burst of wet snow for your Sunday. But for your Saturday evening, rain seems likely. It could be afternoon rain for some of you guys. Here's a recent update we have compared to what I was showing you earlier this evening. What's your National Design Mart forecast is showing temperatures hanging out in the upper 30s, lower 40s. Now, rain chances appear to be moving a little bit sooner across much of the area compared to later on into the afternoon and evening. So we're going with around 5 and 6 o'clock. I'm thinking that's when we're going to start to see the widespread chances of damp weather. Some of that rain could be heavy at times approaching midnight Sunday. Then we're going to be tracking that freezing line, waking up for early Sunday morning with temperatures hanging out in the mid-30s. Now, the atmosphere is going to be cooling from top to bottom, so it could be cold enough to support some wet snow, but again, down at the surface, we've been experiencing those temperatures in the 40s and 50s, so way too mild to have any accumulation on the roadways, and I don't believe this is going to be anything that impressive accumulation-wise. Maybe a dusting up to a ½ an inch. With the lake effect moving in Sunday night into Monday, we could see upwards to an inch of snowfall, isolated at best. They're remaining quite active for Tuesday and Wednesday, but the snow chances are remaining pretty slim. Not all that eventful with our GFS and also our European long-range models. They're not saying much. Just nuisance variety, a type of winter weather heading in our direction with up and down temperatures. So not a substantial plunge when it comes to the numbers, but rain and snow chances possible Sunday, then again Tuesday and Wednesday with a couple clipper systems working in.